before we get started, let's check out the links in my description. We all want nice things. We want the car, we want a house, we want a high limit credit card. But if you don't have at least a 680 credit score, you're not even in the game. So click this link here to know where you stand and get your free credit scores from all three bureaus. That will be Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. And also get your reports. If you would like to be free and become financially independent through entrepreneurship, click this link here to be free. If you'd like to get cash back, which is a discount during shopping, please click this link here to see my favorite cashback sites. And if you enjoy the music you hear in the background, please click the link here and subscribe to It's Oasis. Hello everyone, welcome back to Community Wealth. Today I'm going to go over another card that's pretty easy to get for you guys that have low credit scores. I'm talking about anywhere in the 500 to 550, 575 range, somewhere in there. Anything above 575, you can still get this card with no problem. But I would probably go more so for maybe a CapitalOne Platinum card or something like that. But then again, I just found out by going through this website that actually CreditOne got some pretty good cards that don't have a bunch of fees on them. I will go over that eventually. But first, subscribe to the channel. If you would like to check out your credit scores and see where you're at as far as your credit standing and what's on your credit reports, click the credit monitoring link in the description below, and that way you can get your FICO scores, all three from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, along with your reports. If you have a reliable vehicle and you would like to make $500 to $1,000 per week, then click the Wealth Dasher link in the description below. If you don't have a vehicle or you don't want to use your personal vehicle, you can click the Wealth Hire Car link in the description below to Wealth Dash and make $500 to $1,000 plus per week. So again, you have to use the Wealth Hire Car in conjunction with the Wealth Dasher, and that way you can hire your car to make $500 to $1,000 plus per week while doing the Wealth Dasher thing. Okay. If you would like to know how I got 5 properties for $5,500, click the Be Free link in the description below. And if you want to make $1,000 plus cash back while shopping online, click the Cashback link in the description below. All right, now let's get to it. This kind of go along with the credit card series that I've been going through lately with the First Premier, the CapitalOne Platinum and Secured, and now we're on the CreditOne. One thing I like about CreditOne and First Premier is that these cards are unsecured, along with the CapitalOne Platinum. These are unsecured cards, and that's what really boosts your credit score. That's what your credit algorithms or the credit report algorithms are looking at. They're looking at your secured and your unsecured. You get more points for unsecured, and it actually looks better for the lenders with the unsecured. So that's what you really want to do. You want to build your credit with unsecured. You could do the secured because that's an easy way in, but you're fronting up your own money and you're hoping that the card graduates. With unsecured, you don't have to worry about that. Even if they have fees, I look at it as an investment in getting more credit. Again, I have a First Premier card. Remember I say I have a First Premier card. I have an annual fee and I pay the monthly fee. It's upwards of somewhere like $200 plus per year to hold that card. And I barely even use it. But then again, I had got pre-qualified for a $63,000 auto loan, along with me actually getting a $40,000 auto loan. I also have a resort membership of $17,000 that I probably know I'm sure I wouldn't have gotten if I didn't start rebuilding my credit with an unsecured card like First Premier. Okay, and I'm also in a house that, yes, I'm renting it right now. I didn't buy it yet. I'm going to buy me a house eventually, but right now I'm trying to figure out, am I going to stay here? Am I going to move back to where I'm from? But again, I got approved for that. Okay, I got approved for a 3-bedroom, 3-bath house, 2,000 square feet. Okay, because I started rebuilding my credit with unsecured credit with the First Premier credit card. But you don't necessarily have to use the First Premier credit card. You can, but we have another option here as well as you can do both. You can get the First Premier and the Credit One. All right, because remember, First Premier you're gonna get 2 cards, and Credit One you can get more than 1 card as well. And they actually have an American Express card, which we're gonna go through right now. Okay, so let's get to it. With the Credit One card, okay, yes, it's usually a fee harvester. They got low tier cards, okay. They usually start you out at like $300 to $500. You can actually get up to $2,500 as a starting credit limit. But here's the great thing about CreditOne Bank. With CreditOne Bank, they actually every 6 months you're up for credit limit increases. So even if you start at $300, in 6 months you could be at $500, right? And then within a year you could be at $750 to $1,000. All right. So in no time you'll be at $2,500 if they don't start you up right there. What if they start you up with $750? All right. And what if they start you up with an Amex card? Because Credit One actually has an Amex card. So now you can have, and you'll be in the Amex card database. Okay. You will be in the Amex database because you have an Amex card. Okay. So here you can easily see if you pre-qualify for their cards. Okay. As you know, you just click that and you enter your information and they're going to see if you pre-qualify for most of their cards. They have a mail offer. You have a mail offer. You can click it here and then you click in, you put in the code for the mail offer and boom, you got it. All right. So you go down here and here are the most popular cards. The Platinum Rewards Visa, the Platinum Visa for rebuilding credit. And this is the one that most people get when they have low credit scores. And you have the CreditOne Bank American Express card. Okay. So we're going to go with the Platinum Rewards Visa. No, you know what? I'm going to go with the rebuilding credit card. Okay, so we're going to go here. All right. So here's the Platinum Visa for rebuilding credit. All right. Perfect for everyday purchases. All right. You click here to see if you pre-qualify. Maybe they're going to see what cards you qualify for. All right. So we go here. You get 1% cash back rewards on everyday purchases. Okay. You get credit line increase opportunities. Get rewarded for responsible credit use. We'll review your account regularly for credit line increase opportunities to ensure you get all the credit you deserve. And I do this, they do this around every 6 months. The reason I know I used to have a CreditOne credit card back in the day. I haven't had one in like some years. We're talking at least, I would say at least about 10 to 15 years last time I had a CreditOne bank account. I meant a CreditOne credit card. Sorry about that. So at least about 10 to 15 years I had a CreditOne credit card. That was some years ago. All right. So you can choose your payment due date. This, I don't really worry about this. Some people like that stuff to be on certain due dates. I don't particularly care for that. All right. And the annual fee is $75 the first year and $99 annually. Okay. And the APR is 23.99%. All right. And you go to the reviews. You can go on CreditOneBank.com and you can look at the review yourself. I'm not going to go through that. Card benefits and features. You get more rewards. 1% cash back is really nothing. All right. That's really nothing. And I didn't see this when I was looking at the fees and all that stuff. I didn't see this. I think this is more so for the actual Platinum Rewards card. Okay, and the American Express card. This is not for the Credit Builder card, so don't need to worry about this. You get free online access to your score with Experian, and you customize your notifications. The score, it comes like on your bill. It comes on your bill. I believe you can access it on the website as well, but I always got it in my bill. It came on the bill every month, so you see what your score is. All right. Most cards got this, the fraud protection. You get the green, which you go paperless as everybody, and you get the mobile app, obviously. Okay. So we're going to get the card benefits and features. So let's check that out. Okay, you can view your online credit score for free, obviously. Customize your account notifications. Enjoy your peace of mind, zero fraud liability. On-the-go account access with the app. Customize your experience. Enjoy additional benefits every day. Receive automatic account reviews for credit line increases, which is typically around every 6 months. And you can get credit protection, which credit protection is okay. I don't use credit protection. I had it before, but I never actually used it. You believe that? But what happened with credit protection is pretty much if you lose your job or loss of income, you can prove it. Usually it has to be W-2. You send that information in and they'll suspend payments for a while and they'll pay it for you. Okay, that's pretty much how that works. So it won't count against you. Right, but Again, I don't know if they're still doing it, but also with the credit line increases, of course, if you approve, you get charged $25 for that. Okay, so yeah, just let you know that. So here are the disclosures in terms and conditions. Annual percentage rate 17 to 23.99%, and that's dependent on credit worthiness. Okay. Same thing for cash advances. Paying your interest. Now, with the credit builder, I'm telling you right now, with the credit builder card, you're going to be paying interest daily. Okay. So if you're going to get the credit builder card, you better be prepared to pay that ASAP. It's not a lot because it's daily, but it's still daily, right? If your account has a grace period, your due date is at least 24 days after the close of each billing cycle, and interest will not be charged on purchases if your entire balance is paid by the payment due date each month. For accounts with no grace period, interest is charged on purchases from the posting date. All right. So, of course, everybody knows what the grace period is. Most of my credit card, that's why I tell you in my credit card videos, I don't pay interest because I pay all of my balances up front by the next month's due date. All right. I pay it all and boom. And usually my balance, as you see, is only like about $100, $50 here, $100 there, $20 on this card. So that's easy to pay. So make sure everything is just paid up by that due date and you'll be just fine. All right. If you are charged interest, the charge will be no less than $1. That's the same thing with First Premier. All right. Credit card tips from the Consumer Financial Bureau, all this other good stuff. Whatever, who cares about that? All right. So here are the fees. Annual fees, $0 to $95 for the first year. After that, $99. We already know about that. Here it is. The annual fee will be billed to your account when it is open and will reduce the amount of credit you initially have available. For example, if you are assigned a minimum credit line of $300, which is typically what it is, especially with the credit builder card, you will have initial balance of $205. So you want to pay that immediately. All right. Transaction fees, cash advance. If you just don't do a cash advance, when you got to go through that. Don't be late, and make sure when you pay your bill that your check is not returned. Okay. So that's with the credit builder card. All right. So let's go to the Platinum Rewards Visa. All right. And it's pretty much the same stuff. 5% cashback rewards on the first $5,000 of eligible purchases each year. Okay, so that's pretty good. Get big rewards on purchases you make every day. Earn 5% cashback rewards on the first 5,000 of eligible gas, grocery, internet, cable, satellite TV, and mobile phone service purchases each year, then 1% thereafter. So and then you had the 1% unlimited after the 5% of the first 5,000. Then you get more rewards. Get up to 10% more cashback rewards from some of the nation's top retailers. No offers to activate or points to redeem. You automatically earn cash back rewards on your eligible purchases. $95 annual fee, 23.99% APR. Okay, same thing. So we're going to go to we already know this, get more rewards, free online access from Experian, customization, fraud protection, and the rest of that. So we're going to go to the benefits and features. So, of course, you know about the score already from Experian. You know about the notifications with customization, peace of mind, mobile app. I guess changing your due date, additional benefits, automatic account reviews for credit line increases, and again, a credit protection just in case you lose your job. So here go to disclosures and terms. 17.99 to 23.99 for the Platinum Rewards. That's based on credit worthiness. 17.99 to 23.99 APR for the cash advances, which we're not going to do cash advances. And again, here it is. With this, I believe the rewards may have a grace period. I don't know. Remember, I haven't had a card in years, so I really don't know. And matter of fact, back then when I had a card, they didn't even have cash back. So, I mean, I just had a basic card like my First Premier card. That's the same thing I had some years ago with CreditOne. I had a basic credit card, no cash back, anything. If your account has a grace period, your due date is at least 24 days after the close of due date, which you know this already. So again, if you got a grace period, you're fine. Just pay off that balance by the next month's due date. If you don't have a grace period, you already know you're going to be charged interest daily. Minimum interest charge, of course, is $1 if you have it. So that's the minimum, the lowest you can go. And the annual fee is $95 the first year, $99 each additional year. And I should say the cash advance and all that. And don't be late. Don't take cash advances, and don't return payments when you pay your credit card bill. So that's the rewards card, okay? So then we're going to go to the American Express card, okay? CreditOne Bank American Express card. And it's pretty much the same stuff here. Perfect, elevating your everyday experiences. But a good thing about this will put you in the American Express database. So that way American Express will start sending you stuff, all right? So when you go apply for American Express card, they may see that you're utilizing your CreditOne American Express card, okay? Unlimited 1% cashback rewards, retail protection, and special benefits of Amex and Amex offers. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing your purchases are covered with retail protection, which will reimburse you if an eligible item is accidentally damaged or stolen. So that's part of the American Express thing. All right. And special benefits and Amex offers. Experience a more rewarding way to shop, dine, travel, and more with access to Amex offers that feature some of the nation's top brands. $39 annual fee, 23.99%. So if you can get this Amex card, I would say do that. Even though it's 1% cash back, but you get $39, you get your Amex card, and you get retail protection. Okay? Everything else is pretty much the same. Benefits and features. Enjoy your trip stress-free. You get up to $150,000 in travel accident insurance coverage when you travel using your CreditOne Bank American Express card. Of course, free online to your experience score and customize your notifications, which you know about that. You get fraud protection and mobile app, and going paperless. You get the credit score from Experian, notification, enjoy peace of mind. You got all this already. And then we're going to go down here to, bam, disclosures. 17.99 to 23.99%, depending on credit worthiness, just like all the other cards. Same with cash advance. Interest, same thing, grace period or no grace period. Minimum interest charge is $1. Everything else pretty much the same. Annual fee, so this say $95, but remember, it's the American Express card, only $39, okay? So, cash advance, late payment. Okay, so you don't want to do cash advances, you don't want to be late, and you don't want to have return check charges when you're paying your credit card bill. Okay, so check this out. Here are the other cards they have. Are these? Now, you let me know here. You let me know if you guys, let me know in the comments if you guys have got a CreditOne card with no annual fee. Okay, this is called the CreditOne Bank Wonder Card. Okay, buy an $80 National Park Pass with your Wonder Card on site at a national park or online at recreation.gov within the first year from account opening and get an $80 statement credit. Earn 5 times points on eligible recreational amusement park purchases, 3 times points on eligible restaurant and lodging purchases, and 1x points on all other purchases. Okay. So they go to 13 cards. They go to Platinum Visa for credit rebuilding. We already saw that one. This is annual fee is $75.99. Okay. Well, we'll see how that goes. That's if you get the Platinum. Remember, when you apply for this stuff, just go through everything with a fine-tooth comb. You might want to call them and see what's going on. All right. You always see what you qualify for. You can always click to see if you pre-qualify link. Here's the CreditOne Platinum Visa. We went through that with 5%. Here's the CreditOne Bank Wonder Card. This is $95. See, these got the fees on them. $95, $75 to $99, $95, $95. Now, here they have cards with no annual fees. This is new. I've never seen this before. They must have just did this in the past few years. Okay, so Platinum Rewards Visa with no annual fee. 2% cashback rewards on eligible purchases in gas, grocery, internet, cable, satellite TV, and mobile phone services. Free online access to your Experian credit score. Automatically get up to 10% more cashback reward from participating merchants. This is a no annual fee card. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I'm going to look and see if it has any other fees when I come back to it. because sometimes they might try to counter that fee with some other mess. The Wonder card with no annual fee, same thing, 3x points. But see, they don't have an annual fee, they lessen the points a little bit. I'm noticing that. All right. They got the CreditOne Bank American Express card. Okay, this one still have the annual fee. All right, so this still had the annual fee. And then you have the Platinum Visa. This probably one I had back in the day. It's probably one I had, but remember, it didn't have any rewards. I didn't get any cash back. So this is $39. This is probably one I had back in the day. You had the Best Friends credit card. Best Friends received a donation in amount equal to 1% eligible purchases made with this card. Earn 5% cash back rewards on eligible pet shops, pet foods. Okay, it's for animals. All right. Got the Six Flags reward card. $0 to $39. Twist, turn, earn. 3 times points on eligible Six Flags purchases. And the WWE CreditOne Visa card. $49. Okay. Superstar card they got. Okay, Superstar card. They got the NASCAR cards. So they got quite a few cards here. They got quite a few. Okay, so let me go up here to these no annual fee cards and see what they're saying. Then I'm gonna get off here, all right? Because I'm already 20 minutes in. So let me see here. Let me see what this was. The no annual fee card. Let's see. They must have had excellent credit for this. Prime Rewards Visa, no annual fee. All right, 2% cash back on rewards, 0% annual fee. Well, $0 annual fee, I should say. Get more rewards. That's 10%. All this is pretty much the same. And let's go here to card benefits and features. Okay, we know all of this already. I want to see these disclosures. Okay, 17.99 to 23.99. The grace period. Okay, $0.95. Okay, so they don't have any other fees. So if it's no annual fee, it's just no annual fee. Okay, that's good. That's good. But that's pretty much what's going on with the CreditOne.com thing. So let's go to CreditOne.com. CreditOneBank.com. So go to CreditOneBank.com. You want to get you a CreditOne Bank credit card. It's pretty easy to get, just like the First Premier card is pretty easy to get. Just go ahead, see if you're qualified. But with this one, you don't have to pay an upfront processing fee or a program fee like with First Premier. With First Premier, you got to pay that $95 program fee. With this one, there's no program fee. Just apply to see if you qualify first. What cards are going to come up? You apply and you get it. You're going to get a low limit, and they're going to hit you with that annual fee up front. But just pay that off. Boom. Then when it reports, it's not even on there. And just treat the card like I tell you. Keep the card at 5. Well, anything under 10%. 5 to 7% is ideal. So keep your card at 5 to 7%. Pay that balance off before the next billing period. Boom. You don't get hit with no interest. And then on top of that, in 6 months, you'll be up for a credit limit increase. If they increase your credit by $200, you still at $500. And now you're climbing that ladder. Before you know it, you'll be at $1,500. And while you're doing that, go ahead and get you a second credit card. Go ahead and get that First Premier. Or go ahead and see if you can get you a Visa through CapitalOne, that Platinum card through CapitalOne. All right. Or you can get you another CreditOne card, but you have options out there. Okay. So again, thanks for watching. If you want to see where your credit is at, check on your credit score. Click the credit monitoring link in the description below, and that way you can get your FICO scores from all 3 credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, Insurance Union, along with your reports. Okay. If you would like to make $500 to $1,000 plus per week using your own vehicle, click the Wealth Dasher link in the description below. If you would not like to use your own vehicle or you don't have one, click the Wealth Hire Car link in the description below, and then click the Wealth Dasher link in the description below. And that way you can use the hire car to make $500 to $1,000 plus per week. And if you want to know how I got 5 properties for $5,500, click the Be Free link in the description below. If you'd like to earn cash back on your online purchases of $1,000 or more like I did, click the Cashback link in the description below. If you like the music you hear in the background, please subscribe to It's Oasis. And as usual, until the next video, everybody, let's get this money.